So much has been happening in the gaming industry, and well, let's get straight to what you need to know of what just happened. Now first, let's actually talk about what happened during the weekend, especially with Xbox. Now for many of you that do not know, Phil Spencer, the CEO of Microsoft Gaming, and Sarah Bond, the president of Xbox, are both retiring from their roles from Microsoft. Now this is a shock because not only did this happen during the weekend, but it's just all of a sudden. Now to give a summary of what they said in their statements when they left is, well, they basically said the same thing, that they both feel that Xbox is in a good place right now, and they do believe that the future of Xbox is in good hands. Now the person that will be taking Phil Spencer's place is going to be Asha Sharma, which I'm pretty sure I did butcher, so I do apologize. But there's mixed reactions to her taking this place because, while her previous role included working with AI. The majority of the Xbox community is in an uproar because they believe that she is going to be bringing more AI and kind of ruin the Xbox ecosystem, which makes sense why people would think that, but she did say that she does have 3 commitments. First is making better games. Now she did state that she wants to bring more iconic characters from the IPs that Xbox owns, and also make more stories, make more titles, which is something I think is really good to hear. Because who knows, maybe this can lead to better Halo titles coming out very soon, might lead to some iconic characters actually returning that haven't had a game in such a long time. So at the moment, this could be a good sign. Now going to her second commitment is to actually improve the Xbox platform. Because let's be honest, Xbox has been lacking in some departments, especially with the consoles, with sales, and struggling in so many ways. But from the looks of it, she wants to improve the Xbox experience for not only users, but also for PC users. Now, of course, this could also be pointing towards the next console, which is being rumored to be basically a PC system, which will basically allow you to have the gaming experience from PC, but on a console format. Something similar to what the Steam machine is going to be doing. And then finally, her third commitment is future of play. Now, of course, she did say she wants to bring AI slowly into the ecosystem, but she says she wants to do it where it's not AI slop, but rather long-term investment and long-term improvement for the Xbox experience. So she wants to definitely bring AI, but she wants to make sure it doesn't basically ruin the platform, which we'll have to see how she will actually be doing that. But now going to PlayStation's gaming news, because there has been 2 things happening on their side. Now first is probably something that most users have heard of, is that, well, Sony is shutting down Blueprint. Now for many of you that do not know what Blueprint is, it's a studio that is under PlayStation's umbrella, where they basically made the iconic remakes of most titles, including Dark Souls, and they were also in development back in 2025, making a God of War live service game, which unfortunately was shut down back in 2025. Now then, the reason why Sony shut down the studio is that they do believe that they did enough, and it is kind of sad to see that they are shutting the studio down because they were doing a good work, especially in a lot of the titles they were working on. And then the final news for the PlayStation side is that they are going to be delaying the release of the PS6. Now it was originally rumored that the PS6 was coming out in 2027, but it looks like it might be pushed to, well, 2028 or even 2029. Which means if you're someone that wants to wait for the PS6, you'll be waiting a lot longer. But yet again, let's be honest, the PS5 hasn't reached its full potential just yet. And I mean, the current console generation is still growing and still needs to be improved even more. But guys, let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on the Xbox situation? And what are your thoughts on Blueprint being shut down?